Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code latest stable version on AlmaLinux OS 10.1. But the process is same on all AlmaLinux OS versions. Okay. First open the default web browser that comes with AlmaLinux, that is Firefox. Then go to code.visualstudio.com. Then click on download for Linux this RPM package, or click on download. Then select this .rpm, both are same. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 155 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this RPM package. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, ls. See here we have the code RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm -ivh -no deps, then code, then press the tab to autofill entire file name. For the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify, show applications. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. This is the one way. The other way to open is just type code on the terminal and hit enter. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so ls this file is not recorded anymore, so remove it to clear the space. Rm code, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Ls we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install VS Code latest version on AlmaLinux OS. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.